footed. We're coming up on Los Tontons Vegan. I think this is it right here. This is it right here. What it looks like. Looks good, yeah.
Tea and the Brussels sprouts.
Okay, just for today.
I'll let you have a look. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Okay, thank you. Looks good. It was good, I ain't gonna lie. It's just I'm to a point where I rather like eat at home, you know, because it all tastes like what we make at home. So it's like spending more money on going out to eat versus when you can make the same food at home for cheaper. But yeah, I enjoy myself. But yeah, we in Paris, man. All right, y'all. We headed to this vegan coffee shop or cafe shop, looking for some juice or some smoothies. Paris is a sight to see. Just like New York, it's a movie. I think I got a hang of things right now as far as getting around. I chose to use the bus instead of the train. The train station is a little bit difficult when you're trying to buy tickets and stuff and you can't read French. But buses run by numbers and that makes it a whole lot easier. And I just prefer to use the bus, and I've been making my way around town. So we're gonna get this breakfast juice in. We only eating, drinking, sleeping vegan here in Paris. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna tune back in when we get to the shop. Love juice bar. It's at 9 o'clock on Sundays. Okay. Yes, please. I'll sit down for a little bit. Mm-hmm.
Okay. You just have to insert it?
Okay. Alright, merci. Breakfast time, y'all. And we have wood straws. Sweet. It's good. Super this is me. Pea soup. I think I ordered too much. I'm not that hungry.
Polo, de l'autre côté sur la rue.
Et en face, c'est aussi l'ambassade d'autriche.
It just needs more seasoning, man. He's a good guy, but the food needs a lot more seasoning. But I guess that could be because I'm from the United States. But yeah, if we're gonna eat vegetables, we just need to be a little bit more seasoned, man. All right, y'all, we at another vegan spot. This one was called Le Petit Veg vegan. I'm definitely not saying that right, but I'm guessing. Vegan and non-vegan. Oh, here we go. Let's see what they got. 100% pure vegan. Let's see what we can get into. Food is being cooked right now. It's like a thick mango puree mixed with like coconut milk. This is delicious. I just had to do a voiceover. This is some of the best food in Paris. As far as vegan goes, I'm in love with this dish. I'm in love with this place.
Là, on s'est dit, il y a une demande